Drivin Ivan here. Do you like Shelbys? Well, if you do, you're in the right place. This is Revs Institute in Naples, and this is Shelby Series 1, and all of these Shelbys are lined up today. Absolutely gorgeous cars, and this is the Revs Institute in Naples, Florida, where all these special cars are lined up today. And look at this one, just the chassis looks like. Wow. That's a track car special right there. Nothing wrong with that, huh? So look at all these. I don't think you've ever seen so many Shelby Series 1s lined up in a row, have you? I don't think you have. There's just no way. So cool. I'll take you back to that other one in a second, and all the special ones here. There's a real Shelby Cobra here today too. These are all real Series 1 cars, but this is the all-new Shelby Series 2, which was unveiled last night at Jetport. Watch my video of that as well. But yeah, very cool, huh? Nice to see it in the daylight, because I saw it at night last night, and it's good to see it in the daylight, see how it really looks, and see it against the Series 1 cars, which are behind it. Very, very cool. But yeah, this is the Series 2, and you can watch my interview with the guy who is selling these cars, Bob, and that's elsewhere on YouTube. Just search Drivin Ivan Series 2 and you'll find it. But here it is. So cool. There you go. All the Series 1s lined up, and the Series 2 back there. So cool. If you've never been to Revs, you gotta go. It's amazing inside here. Amazingly rare cars. Basically as raced here in Collier County, Florida, Naples. And here we have a real Shelby Cobra. Yes, yes, yes. 1965 Shelby Cobra. This is the real deal, y'all. Le Mans. Best of show. There you go. No signed dashboard on this one. Oftentimes you'll see a signed dashboard. I was lucky enough to meet the man, Carroll Shelby. He was a very kind man. His handler basically said that he only signs autographs for kids these days. But he was very nice. I had brought a picture of him in his car, and he signed it for me. Very nice guy. And I was so happy to have that happen. But yeah, this is a great selection of cars. And here, let's see if we have the other. See what we got here exactly. Let me take a look. Yep. SS1 supercharged, 1999. These bikes were there last night, actually. 1999 Shelby Series 1 Titan motorcycle, one of 5, and I'm not sure about this one, but very cool stuff here, nonetheless. Quite a display here at the Revs Institute. And wow, look at the muscular nature of this car. You can see my full driving review of Factory 5. And actually my Austin Healey Sprite is kind of designed to look like this, blue with white racing stripes. Little 1098 engine is not going to do the same thing that these are doing. These are very fast cars, you know, Super Snakes and things like that. These are cars that are so incredibly fast, in fact. And yeah, these side pipes will burn you. You have to be careful. But these are so fast, it's very hard to keep traction when you're driving these cars. They're very quick, no driver aids whatsoever. This is a driver's car. I mean, you don't want to get behind the wheel of one of these unless you know what you're doing. Watch my full driving review. Just search Drivin Ivan and Shelby Cobra. So here we go with the GT350s. Interesting thing, when the Doors album sold 1 million, well, Paul Rothschild actually, I believe it was Paul Rothschild, the kind of producer of the Doors, he gave Jim Morrison a blue and white version of this. You can see him in a video driving it, actually. And so he had one, and no one really knows what happened to that car. It's kind of lost. GT500 KR, yeah, these are real, you know, these are some amazing cars here. And yeah, I believe Jim Morrison's was very similar to this one, actually. Same color. And I think he had some beefier wheels on it, but this is awesome. Look at this thing. Show you the engines. If you like the Cobras, you got to see the wheels. Okay, everybody? You can kind of press pause there and read all about it, but you want to see the engines. I know you do. Read the plaques. See the engines. Really, really nice. Great cars. Yeah. Showing you how to work on the engines here. There we go.
How are you?
Right on in. I'm doing well. By the way, if you want to learn about engines, they give you Engines 101, 102, brakes, steering, suspension. You could take classes here at Revs. They also have a library full of really just how to work on these cars and everything else. And look, there's a 996 Turbo. This is Revs Institute for you. Look at the cars here. And, well, they even have Enzo Ferrari's Ferrari inside, believe it or not. Look at that one. Very clean. Very nice. Here are the Series 2 cars, which I showed you again last night, but now seeing them in the daytime, totally different seeing them in the daytime. Look at that. Cool cars here that people just drove up, but look at this. Great to see these at night. And these are basically one-offs right here. So really cool to see them in the daytime. They look a little bit than all lit up at Jetport last night. But again, do watch that interview with Bob. He's the one that owns all the rights to build these cars now, and he will be building them. They start at $500,000, and you can have one. So there you go. All of the Shelby related cars here today. TT500. These beautiful fastback Mustangs, and all the rare ones. Look at this. And even the original Cobra. Again, search any car in Drivin Ivan and you will find it. Watch my interview with Bob from Series 2. He's going to be making these. You can buy them now. Amazing cars, and really the best of the best, the rarest of the rare out here today, as you can see right here at Revs Institute in Naples, Florida. Please do smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and watch all my disc golf videos, literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game, guitar reviews, watch me play all the instruments on some cool songs like Hotel California, REM songs, Losing My Religion. My Free Your Mind music video has some of my car collection. Want to know what Drivin Ivan drives? Just search what does Drivin Ivan drive, and you'll see. But I do not have any actual Cobra like this, but I do have a Shelby Dakota pickup truck that's also a convertible. So watch that one. That's a cool car. I've had that for many, many years. One of 1,500 Shelby Dakota pickup trucks. And I think you'll like it. I think you will. So watch that one. And again, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this awesome collection of these Shelby automobiles. And again, thank you so much for watching here at Revs Institute in Naples, Florida. I'm Drivin Ivan.